Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to archive Instagram stories before they get deleted. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner. Scroll down and find the archiving and downloading option. Tap on it. Then turn on Save Story to Archive. This will automatically save your stories before they disappear. Now, go back to the home screen and tap on the plus icon to create a new story. Select the photo or video you want to upload. Tap Next and then tap Share to post your story. Once your story is live, open it. Tap on the More option in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Archive. Your story will now be saved in the archive folder, even after it expires. And that's it. That's how you can archive Instagram stories easily. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.